Hey guys, the sequence that you're about to see was one of the first tests that we've run on our new ShopSabre CNC. We're getting ready to release a bunch of new products, including these wheel flip sockets. I'll explain more about our plans for this CNC machine a little bit later, but first, here's what it looked like to get this thing up and running the other day. The reason why we've been working on the CNC machine and with our CO2 laser is specifically so that we can design our own packaging. Between the two machines, we will be able to make our own completely customizable foam inserts for our new tools, and we'll control all of that process. So everything related to creating the foam inserts will be centered here in Puyallup, Washington. We can design our own packaging for these new tools and these products, and any new tools that we release down the road in the future. We're very excited about these new tools. We're growing as a company and things are changing, and we just wanted to take a moment and say we appreciate you supporting us in this. You, our customers, are the ones who make all of this possible. If you want to keep up with the latest, you can follow us on social media. You can check out our Facebook group, the Motivx Garage. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your comments on it, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can always find out the latest at motivxtools.com as well. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.